Hello! In this video I will show you how to install ChatGPT Widget on HONOR X5b. So you have to start by opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in Wally AI and click search, and then click install. Then you can click open and click on this button to skip introduction, and then click open permissions. Now select this app and you have to allow this app to display over other app. Then you can go back and go back again and click start. And as you can see right here, there is my ChatGPT widget, and I can open him and I can tell him to do something. And as you can see, he responded. And if you want to remove him from your screen, simply drag him into the X icon in the middle. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.